Hello.
Guys,
Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Eva Agustin.
and my name is Imam. We are from ITBM.
Q class. And today we will explain about how to evaluate a project, especially Cashier application project. And what we will do in this video, the first one, we find out how to evaluate Cashier application project.
And then we find similar project study, and
The last one,
we learn how to evaluate similar project study.
and go to the first one, we find out how to evaluate the Cashier application project. We surfing through internet and looking for a way to evaluate a project and found in cmi.org there are especially in table 3 there are the factor and measurement underlying evaluation quality. And the first evaluation quality is technical adequacy, and the second one is usefulness. And that's all the way how we find out how to evaluate a project, general project. And then in the second step we find the similar project story that talking about the application project, especially self-of-payment project. And we found two
similar studies about Cashier application
project.
The first one is from
Universitas Sanata Dharma Yogyakarta, and the title is Evaluasi Penggunaan Aplikasi Kasir dalam Sistem Informasi Penerimaan Kas.
And then the second one is from BINUS. The title is Evaluasi Implementasi Proyek Sistem Aplikasi Terintegrasi, Persediaan, Pembelian, dan Penjualan.
Then we will open the first document that from the Universitas Sanata Dharma. In these studies, they learn about evaluating the use of Cashier application in system information system kas, penerimaan kas. And in these studies, we found that how to evaluate a program, especially the result of project, they have a method that called PISIS. PISIS is the instance for performance, information, economy, control, efficiency, and service. And that's a method that used to evaluate a product of a project. I will explain for the six thing in PISIS that performance is identify the organization about how they finish the task or the business target quickly, so the goal is reached. And then what is the information is identification, the informations or documentation that need by the organization. And the economy is doing a grading system
about the pros and cons from the new
system that implement to the client. And then the control is
about how the security system can secure the data from
lostness, like data recovery. And then efficiency is identify how the use of application can give the output, a big output with minimized input. And then the last one is the service, is
identify
about the
how the Cashier application usage can give information or output
accurate, reliable for the client.
In this case, Cafe IAKA.
And that's all the how to evaluate project from the perspective of the application. And next, the other studies is from BINUS. It's especially evaluate project from the project perspective. I mean the cost, time, and etc. Right, Mom? And then Imam will explain to you about it.
I'll explain about the next studies. In these studies, how they evaluate a project is by observation, interview, and survey.
Yeah.
And then the next research is
Library
research. Library research is based on theory, system life cycle.
And it focuses on the cost estimation. They list all the costs that they use for the project, and then the functionality of product is, I think it is focused is in cost and how they manage their schedule, so it not be finished late. So I think it's the general from the project, not really specification how to evaluate the application, but
Overall, it's like the cost of the project.
so
And then the next one is we learn how to evaluate similar projects.
from the two studies that we got, that we learned and that we read, in the first study we focus in the using of PCS framework to evaluate cursor application usage, and then
From the second studies, we focus on the cost side
cost and overall project like schedule, cost,
and
time, performance,
etc.
yeah. So that's the
That's the summary of
our video. I mean our task that find out how to evaluate cursor application project. It is thesis, and the second one is cost and time. Yeah. I think that's all of our explanation, and thank you for
Thank you for watching
watching and listening, and
goodbye.
goodbye.